Hi everyone. So in this module, let me introduce another uh, new concept that is very useful to all of you. That is Johari window. So Johari window is a kind of theory which helps us to understand ourselves better, and that also useful for making relations with others. So in this module, so you will understand the background of Johari window. So how it was started. So this model is very unique and useful for you know um, uh, personality development, and then group development, and also understanding relationship among the people. So that is the benefit of this particular Johari window theory. So this Johari window theory, so in fact, so Johari window is a communication model that can be used to improve understanding between individuals, right? So better understanding depends on the better communications, better conversation, and then more in terms of volume, how we disclose ourselves to the others. So that is the base for improving understanding and then strong relationship among the people. So this was developed by Joseph Luft and Harry Ingham. The word Johari comes from Joseph Luft and Harry Ingri. So you'll find that so these are the two people actually proposed this theory and developed for the improvement of communication model. So here there are two key ideas. Individuals can build trust between themselves by disclosing information about themselves, right? So disclosing as much as information. So that depends on individuals how they just inform everything about them, right? So they can learn about themselves and then come to terms with personal issues with the help of the feedback from others, right? So this is the way one can understand no, this Johari window, because you are disclosing yourselves and then informing as much as possible about you, and then others also listening and then trying to understand you, and they'll give you feedback because you have disclosed your information, and based on your information you will get the feedback from the others. So this helps you to develop yourself and then develop relations with others. Right. If you just look at the key elements here, the using the Johari model, each person is represented by either four quadrants or four panels window. Right. Each of these containing and then represents the personal information like feelings, motivations about the persons, and shows the whether the information is known or not known by themselves or other people. So it is something like we all have like in our entire the frame, there are four the blocks right in our window. So four quadrants. So each quadrant has its own feelings and then motives and then thoughts and ideas, right? So how we have all these things in our four quadrants, so that we will try to understand in the coming slides and then the modules. Right. If you look at the four quadrants, so here, so these are the four. One is arena, that is the open place and the open self, and then the second one is the blind spot, so that is the closed one, and then you can see that the hidden self, the third one, that is called facet, and then unknown self, that is the fourth one. Like so, arena is the open self, and the blind self, and then hidden self and unknown self. So these are the four quadrants in every individual's the complete the frame of our thoughts, and then the total the communication model, right? So what are these four, and then how these four quadrants works? So that we will see in the next module, and then so let me just look at here. And no, the further you can see no, the no, this the quatrains and then the models, right? You will understand in coming the modules. And thank you very much, and looking forward to meet you in the next module.